So the question is about 1.39b. And so the calculation here is 653 over 5.75 times 10 to the minus 8. So when you're plugging this in your calculator, if you don't plug it in right, your calculator will misinterpret what you're trying to say. So here's what I'm guessing you did if you weren't getting the correct answer. You probably typed into your calculator 653 divided by 5.75 times 10 to the negative 8. If you do it that way, your calculator will, what this means is that your calculator will take the number 653 and divide that by 575 and get the answer, and then it will multiply that answer by 10 to the negative 8. That's not what this is telling you to do. Here I've got the 10 to the negative 8th on the bottom of this fraction. It needs to be divided, not multiplied. So this is not correct. So there's two ways to do that. What I like to do is to do 653 times, I'm sorry, not times, 653 divided by, in my calculator, 5.75 e negative 8. So there's a button, or there should be on your calculator. The button on your calculator is either a capital E, or often it looks like an EE. It might be kind of like above the button, so you have to hit the second button on your calculator to use it. Alternatively, you can do 653 divided by, in parentheses, 5.75 times 10 to the negative 8th, if you like it that way. Or you could do 653 divided by 5.75 divided by 10 to the negative 8th. Since both of these values are on the bottom of the fraction, they both need to be divided. Any one of those ways that you plug it into your calculator will give you 1.14 times 10 to the 10th. For your answer. And since I'm multiplying and dividing, I want to check my sig figs. This number has 3 sig figs. This number has 3 sig figs. And the rule for multiplying and dividing is whichever one I plug in that has the fewest, that's the number of sig figs my answer should have. So when my calculator gives me 1.1356, etc., I'm using the 5 to round the 3 up, so I have 1.14. And then I always want to include units. They didn't give me any units here, though, so I can't do that.